हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लर्निंग एक्सेस पॉइंट। दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके आए हैं, जो कि है एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर। तो दोस्तों, अगर आप किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें सभी नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए। तो दोस्तों, चलिए वीडियो में आगे बढ़ते हैं, एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। तो दोस्तों, आज हम क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं वो पहले देख लेते हैं। कंटेंट्स क्या है वीडियो के। पहला है एटम, मॉलिक्यूल एंड मोल। दूसरा है एवोगाड्रो नंबर। तीसरा है मॉलिक्यूलर मास। देन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ एन एटम, एटॉमिक नंबर, मास नंबर। देन आइसोटोप्स, आइसोटोन्स, आइसोबार, आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक। देन थॉम्सन एंड रदरफोर्ड मॉडल एंड लास्ट जीमैन एंड स्टार्क इफेक्ट। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो में आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो दोस्तों, सबसे पहले है व्हाट इज एटम। तो एटम क्या होता है? तो एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। एन एटम कैन टेक पार्ट इन केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन एंड does not occur free in nature. The atom of the hydrogen is the smallest and lightest. Examples are sodium, potassium, calcium, hydrogen, etc. Then molecule. What is molecule? A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound that can have a stable and independent existence. Examples can be oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, chlorine gas, phosphorus gas, and sulfur. Then let's come to the point of mole. What is mole? A mole is a collection of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. It means that 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole atom equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole molecule equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And all the examples as you can see in the video. The same goes for ions or any other objects or fruits or etc. Let's see what is Avogadro number. The number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 is called Avogadro number. Now let's come to the point of molecular mass. What is molecular mass? It indicates how many times one molecule of a substance is heavier in comparison to 1/12th mass of an atom of carbon constituent of an atom. C12. What are constituents of an atom? Atom किस किस चीज़ से बना होता है? The fundamental particles of an atom are electron, proton and neutron. Let's move forward. Let's see what is atomic number. The number of proton or electron in atom of the element is called atomic number. It is denoted by capital Z. Z is equal to E equal to P, where E is equal to number of electrons and P is equal to number of protons. Mass number. What is mass number? The sum of number of protons and neutrons in an atom of the element is called mass number. It is denoted by capital A. So mass number is equal to number of protons equal to number of neutrons. Let's take an example. In sodium atom, Z is equal to 11, A is equal to 23 and E is equal to 11. So protons is equal to 11. So to find the number of neutrons, we will subtract number of protons from mass number. So that would be equal to 23 minus 11 equal to 12. The number of neutrons are 12. So we are using here this formula, that is mass number equal to number of protons equal to number of neutrons, where where atomic number is equal to number of protons and equal to number of electrons. So let's move forward in video. Next is what are isotopes. These are atoms of the elements having the same atomic number but different mass number. Isotopes of carbon equal to 12C6, 13C6 and 14C6. That is named as protium, deuterium and tritium. What are isobars? These are atoms of the elements having the same mass number but different atomic numbers. Its examples are 40 mass number with 11 atomic number argon, potassium with 40 mass number and atomic number 19, and calcium with 14 mass number and 20 atomic number. What are isotones? These are atoms of different elements having the same number of neutrons. So its example are 14C6, 15N7 and 1608. These are isotones of each other. What are isoelectronic? What are isoelectronics? These are atoms, molecules, ions containing the same number of electrons. So the atoms, molecules, ions which contain the same number of electrons are isoelectronic. Because iso means same or equal, so isoelectronic, same number of electron. O2 minus, F minus, fluorine minus, neon, sodium plus, Mg2 plus, another would be Cn minus, N2, O2 plus, etc. And let's see what is Thomson model of an atom. According to Thomson, an atom is treated as a sphere of radius 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter in which positively charged particles are uniformly distributed and negatively charged electrons are embedded through them. This is called plum pudding model of an atom or watermelon model of an atom. So let's see the picture of Thomson model of an atom. Here we can see that there is a positively charged pudding and negatively charged plums are embedded in it, or a spherical cloud of positive charge, and there are electrons in that. So this is the Thomson model of an atom. Let's see Rutherford model of an atom. On the basis of a scattering experiment, Rutherford proposed a model of the atom which is known as a nuclear atomic model. Here there is a nucleus in the center of the atom, and there are orbits in which the electrons revolve around the nucleus, and there are neutrons and protons embedded in the nucleus. According to this model, let's see in detail. An atom consists of a heavily positively charged nucleus where all protons and neutrons are present. Protons and neutrons are collectively called nucleons. Almost whole mass of the atom is contributed by these nucleons. Radius of a nucleus 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter. Radius of an atom 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Radius of an atom is equal to 10 to the power 5 times of the radius of the nucleons. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in closed orbit with high speed. This model is similar to solar system. The nucleus representing the sun and revolving electron as planets. The electrons are therefore generally referred as planetary electrons. So that was the model of Rutherford. Let's come to the point of Zeeman effect. What is Zeeman effect? When spectral lines obtained from atomic spectra is placed in a magnetic field, they are splitted into number of lines. This is called Zeeman effect. So let's see, next one is Stark effect. What is Stark effect? Stark effect is when spectral lines obtained from atomic spectra is placed in an electric field, they are splitted into number of fine lines. This is called Stark effect. But that was the Stark effect. So friend, that was the video, very important video for you. Thanks for watching the video. If the video is useful to you, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for latest update on GK and current affair as well as exam notifications. Feel free to suggest topics of your requirement in the comment section. Keep learning with Learning Access Point. Thanks for visiting the channel.